And for today's video, I'll be talking regarding some information and tips on how to take A1 language German exam online course. Hello everyone, good day. My name is Miss Norima Ipang. You can call me Miss Nor. And for today's video, I'll be talking regarding some information and tips on how to take A1 language German exam online course. And so for today, I'll be sharing a famous and affordable online course, which is the filschool.com. You can visit their website, which is our mentor there is Mrs. Raylita. Taking an online course for A1 German language exam is so good decision because it can help you to determine the right and wrong language and grammar for German language. At nakakatulong din po ito para ma-approve ang ating visa application sa Germany. Meet Ma'am Raylita. She is the instructor for filschool.com, in which she handled those person or Filipinos who wants to pass the A1 German language exam. Ma'am Raylita is also a Filipina and isa din po siya sa mga nangarap noon na makapasa sa A1 German language exam dahil meron siyang boyfriend na taga Germany at kailangang ma-approve ang visa application niya dahil gusto na niyang pumunta doon sa Germany. You can visit her website, which is filschool.com, wherein you can take that online course anywhere, wherever you are. Since that is online, you can use your cell phone, laptop, or computer. Sa pag-take ng online course sa A1 German language exam, kailangan po natin dito ng disiplina at focus sa sarili. Dahil sa online learning, marami po tayong nakikita ng mga distractions, especially sa social media. So kung kailangan mo talaga at gusto mong pumasa sa German language A1 exam, kailangan mo ng focus at disiplina sa iyong sarili. Dito sa filschool.com, tutulungan ka ni Ma'am Raylita para pumasa sa iyong A1 German language exam. Tuturuan ka niya ng mga basic goodbye and greetings, the alphabet of German, and also the numbers. Sa German A1 language exam kasi, may 4 na parts: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. So, kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin ang mga yon dahil may time limit po sa exam. Wala kang dapat ikabahala sa filschool.com dahil tutulungan ka talaga ni Ma'am Raylita para pumasa sa iyong A1 German language exam. Basta't meron ka lang disiplina at focus sa sarili, siguradong papasa ka sa iyong exam. And so, once again, this is Miss Nor. I'll see you on my next video.